morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. Hubby is about to leave for work, but since he is still home, we decided we would open Advent Calendar day 1 together. Let me move this up. Do you want to grab it?
Okay. So
this is an Advent calendar full of pantry goodies, and I do remember what is in the day 1 envelope. So I will show you the treat first because it's the biggest thing in here. And then we've got some tea and coffee. This is the coffee. I put the coffee card in the Advent calendar. And then in terms of tea, I'm trying this new tea company. And the one we've got is called Berry Jam.
Mr. Turk. Medium. Did you understand the cycles all in French?
I have high hopes for this. As soon as I opened the packaging, very, very fragrant. Too hot to taste right now, so I'm just gonna set it aside. For this year's Advent calendar, I decided to use up items in our pantry. These are snacks and treats that we've been meaning to eat, but because we have a lot in our pantry, we haven't quite gotten to them yet. And I was really excited about popping all of that into the Advent calendar. I only bought a couple of things, and I think the Advent calendar has a nice mix of treats, but I also added a few things recently. So I think some days might have a lot in there because I didn't want to look in the bag when I was putting additional things in. Of course, I do have a sense of what is in the Advent calendar because I put it all together, but I've forgotten what I put where, with the exception, of course, of day 1. So this is a set of chocolates from Purdy's that my friend got for me, and she got me this as part of a bigger treat bag to celebrate the launch of my book. We've eaten pretty much everything already, but this tin is so beautiful and the chocolates inside are so beautiful. I already know that 2 of them will be among my favorites because they are caramels, and I love, love, love caramels. Thank you to my friend for this beautiful treat. Could it be time to take this? Still feels really hot, so maybe I will do a quick errand first, something I've been meaning to do for a while. I have got a bunch of these boxes in the middle of our living room, so I need to clear this out. It looks like a lot because this is for an entire year, but I did use up pretty much everything I bought last time around, so I'm feeling pretty good about this haul. I don't think it'll be too much, but of course time will tell. So here is what I ended up picking up. I keep running out of shampoo, so I bought 3 of the Atomy Herbal hair shampoos. I really like this product. I've also been using some of these shampoo bars. My sisters gave me one from Lush ages and ages ago, and because we ran out of shampoo, we finally tried it, and hubby and I both really like it. It lathers up so beautifully. It's a little bit drying on my hair, but overall I'm really liking it. And because it is more drying, I found I haven't been using dry shampoo very much. These are also hair products. This is the multi-peptide serum for hair density by The Ordinary. I've already started using this one because I ran out. That's why this box is open. We bought 8 different bar soaps from Guelph Soap, 8 different scents, and hubby really loves bar soap, so we always have a bunch. This was in a little goodie bag I got from the writing studio when we did our team retreat. I restocked on shower gel. I do like the Atomy one, but they were sold out when I did my restock, so instead I picked out this one to try from well.ca, and I am super excited about that. Bath bombs are another thing that I never purchase. I have a lot of bath salts right now that I'm trying to use up, but I got these for free This was another little freebie from the Lavender Farm, which was so lovely of them, and this was from the writing studio. Moving into body lotions, I've got this lavender lotion. This is a muscle and joint massage oil. I thought hubby and I could use this for our massage exchanges, which stopped for a while, but then hubby asked about them, so we restarted them again. I thought he wasn't liking them, but I guess he was. And then this is a product that hubby really loves, so I picked up one for him. This is my current favorite body lotion. It's amazing. I bought a huge one, which lasts me pretty much the full year. 5 of these foot creams. I still moisturize my hands and feet every night before going to bed. These are among my favorite cleansing oils in addition to the Tatcha. So I picked up 3 of them. They were discontinued for a while, but they came back. So I'm really happy they're back because they are less than half the price of the Tatcha product. This here is a product for hubby. He's tried this before. He really likes it. So picked up another one. I have a lot of products from The Ordinary, and I won't go through these in detail because I have a whole shop with me video dedicated to that. I also restocked on this rose floral water, a couple of brow pencils from Atomy. I do still really love the one by Anastasia. These are like half the price, and I think they work just as nicely. Since I didn't need anything from Sephora this year, I actually didn't even make a purchase from Sephora for this annual beauty restock. I decided just to go with the Atomy ones. I can't remember if I usually show tooth products, but I repurchased a bunch of dental flossers. I am completely out, so I've already dug into this one here. And then I bought these mini toothpaste from Atomy. This has become my favorite toothpaste, and when we go on vacation and we bring the little Crest ones or Colgate or Sensodyne, they make me almost want to gag. So I decided to buy the small ones so I could bring these on vacation instead. Lots and lots of lip products, starting with the Atomy Lip Glow. I bought 2 of these, a beautiful wash of color. I really don't wear lipstick all that much anymore. I am constantly amazed by how many lip balms I go through. I actually don't know if this is going to be enough. I really love this lavender one. I'm gonna try the Carmex again. I can't remember if I like it, but I bought a 3-pack. I really like the Hurrah ones, so I picked up 4 different varieties. This one is new to me. It's by Pure Anata, and it's the Lime Lip Balm. I did read that this is a bit oily, so I don't know if I'm going to love it, but I decided to pick one up to try. And then these are more householdy things. I bought the Sheet Laundry Detergent by Atomy. I find the scent is a lot more gentle than the more popular commercial brands, so this does not trigger my scent allergies, and I really, really love the scent. I also bought more standard liquid laundry detergent. This lasts us pretty much the entire year. I also love this product, which is a concentrated dishwashing liquid, and this also lasts us about a year, which is perfect. I restocked on Celcius, and that is all I bought for my annual restock. I'm so excited to put all this stuff away. Everything fit really nicely in my makeup storage area. One thing I did forget to show because I had already put these away after buying them are these mascaras that I picked up from T&T. They were on sale. I've tried the Kiss Me brand and I love the Heroin Make mascara, but this is a different one, advanced film formulation. The other thing I came across is I did have 1 additional lash serum, so I probably didn't need to buy 2, but the 2-pack is cheaper. I do need a facial oil now because I've run out. I'm going to use the bee oil. I'm mostly curious about the scent, and since I'm going to open it, I'm going to start using it. It does still have seaweedy scent. The last thing I wanted to show is that I did come into these Jack Black lip balms unexpectedly. Hubby found them in his stash and he doesn't really use them that much, and I had bought them for him probably a couple of years ago, so the SPF may not be good anymore, but I'm still going to use it as lip balm. So I've got 5 of these, and now I'm pretty confident that I have enough lip balm for the year. This is the other thing I wanted to show. This is my over the toilet cabinet, and I don't know if you can tell, but it is so empty. I know there's still stuff in here, but a lot of it is hubby stuff. My parts of the cupboard though have cleared out quite a bit, so I'm eager to fill it all back up. Everything fit very nicely, so I'm hoping I bought just the right amount of stuff for this year. That took a little bit longer than I expected. I was just really enjoying myself, so I was taking my time a little bit. But I wanted to taste the tea while it's still warm. This berry jam tea is a blend of flower and berry, fine tea with flower petals and raspberry, black currant, and cherry flavors. And as you can see, it's a beautiful color. Just gonna click into my writing session, but I'll keep everything muted. And I'm gonna keep my video off today. All right, let's give it a try. It smells really good. It definitely has that berry tartness. I like it. I don't taste tea though. It tastes almost like a berry infusion. I wonder if this is caffeinated or not. I guess I'll find out, because if it's not caffeinated, I'm gonna have a caffeine withdrawal headache today. Not something to laugh about because it is quite painful. But I have been thinking of cutting back on caffeine, and I'm going to start in the new year, and I'll say more about that when I do my 2024 goals. I have a feeling there's no tea in this. I was hoping to get out before the rain started, but no such luck. To be fair, I think it has been raining for a while though. I just didn't notice when I was inside. I'm so glad I'm home. It's always such a nice feeling to come home after getting all of my steps in and all of my errands done, especially on a gloomy day like today. I'm going to put my groceries away now because there are a few things that need to be refrigerated, and I might as well show you what I got. The first thing is this udon. Hubby and I have udon soup twice a week now, and this is my current favorite udon. Normally I would go to the grocery store on Saturday, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to do that tomorrow. So I bought the groceries for our Sunday reset when we prepare hubby's lunches for the week. I bought all of that today instead of tomorrow. So this week, in terms of veggies, hubby and I are going to be having zucchini. We're also going to be having sweet potato and some baby carrots, which I already have. Those are in the fridge. I picked up a package of chicken thighs, which hubby will prepare for the sous vide. The last thing I picked up are these pot stickers. I'm gonna pan fry these tonight for a very simple and easy dinner. It's going to be pot stickers and instant noodles. I did check the ingredients for this berry jam tea, and there is no actual tea in here. It's very good, but I did make myself a little bit of instant coffee, and I'm almost done. I used this new to me instant coffee by Detour. It's quite different for instant coffee. It definitely has more of like a fruity note to it, but if you're used to light and medium roasts in terms of coffee, it tastes a lot like that. There is one thing I must do now before I get to anything else on my to-do list. I have been thinking about this for a very long time. I've been excited for this for a very long time. And it's going to happen right now. I am going to open my puzzle advent calendar. I put this on the floor right below our tea and treats advent calendar, and I've been looking at it every day as I walk back and forth in the condo. I'm just like, oh, I want to open that so badly. So I'm going to do that right now. I actually thought this would be the first thing that I did today because I was looking forward to it so much, but I've been trying to kind of like go with my intuition more, listen to my body more, and I really wanted to get the organizing done in terms of getting all of that stuff off of our living room floor, and I wanted to get my steps in before the day turned. So I'm glad I saved this for now, even though my brain wasn't intending to save this. It's still rather early in the day. It's around 10:30 right now. Let's tear this open. There's already the cellophane's ripped here, so I'm just gonna tug on that. The box has a nice texture to it. This kind of like, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like a ribbed texture. It feels really nice. Okay. Oh my last angle. Hang on one sec. I think this is better. Oh. All right, here is door number 1. Can't open it. The first one's always the hardest because you're trying to get used to the weight of the cardboard and the perforations. Ooh. Oh, so they do have on the back of the door the image of the puzzle, but I'm not going to look at that. I'm just going to take out the little baggie with the 50-piece puzzle. Just a tiny little puzzle. And it does come in a Ziploc bag, which is great. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. That was very, very satisfying. It only took around 5 minutes to do the puzzle. It's a tiny little thing, and once I separated out all of the edge pieces, there weren't many pieces left for the interior because it is such a tiny puzzle, but it was fun. The pieces are quite sturdy, and I think this puzzle will last very nicely for years to come. And I have this thing that I like to do when I'm done puzzles. I like to hold them up, so I'm gonna do that now. It probably will be okay with this puzzle because it's so small. It started to come apart, but it seems okay. It's a little harder with the larger puzzles, like the 1,000-piece puzzles, but I've done this ever since I was young, and as I put it down, it did come apart. So this is the state of the puzzle now. I am going to break it up now because hubby might want to do the puzzle when he gets home. He's not big on puzzles, but because these are small, I think he was a little bit interested. So we'll see when he gets home whether he wants to give this puzzle a try. I am having my super simple dinner right now, and this was definitely the right choice for today. It's very satisfying. I want to say that these pot stickers are really good. They're better than the dumplings I usually buy from T&T, and I'm really enjoying them. Poor hubby is still at work. His colleague has been sick, so he's been working longer shifts. And because we opened the advent calendar together this morning, he brought his tea to work and he was planning to steep it there. So if he remembered, I'm very excited to hear what he thought of it. I'm not sure if he's going to like this one very much because I don't think he's a huge fan of fruity flavors. And I am re-steeping the berry tea again. Of course, the color isn't as vibrant on the second steep, but I'm really looking forward to even a milder version of this tea. Hubby's finally home. He's gonna open his coffee advent calendar. I think it has a number on it. I forgot though. Maybe, yeah, that one's day 1.
1.
Yay! And the card says what it is. So I guess maybe they want you to taste it before seeing what it is. I don't really know. So this is the coffee, and these are the tasting notes in French. But I think the same notes are in this leaflet in English, right?
Is it? Oh.
No.
It's in French too?
Yeah. Well, no, it's not in, it's in English, but there are no notes. Maybe you can go on the website. I think that's going to be it for day 1 of Vlogmas. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon for the next episode. Bye!